tayo rin kapwa Pilipino. Napakahirap ng hustisya. Napakahirap. But we must follow. We must obey. We must continue to believe and continue to hope that better things will come for our children. We cannot govern ourselves among ourselves. There must be a system. In this case, maswerte tayo, mapalad tayo, may demokratiko pang pamamaraan. Sa ibang bansa, ang forms of government nila, ibang uri. Tayo hindi. Yung boto ng pinakamayaman sa Pilipinas at boto ng pinakamahirap sa Pilipinas, pag binilang, iisa, pantay. So we must continue to believe. Yes, it's frustrating. I get frustrated. The people of Manila is paying the price of this flooding. And I'm